Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription. In this video, we are going to be celebrating vlogmas number 7. And I'm going to show you a little plant that just sprouted a new leaf. That leaf is new. I think this is called a jewel plant. It's toxic to cats though, so make sure your cat doesn't get it. But I love it, and it has a new baby leaf. That one. You're welcome for that. And I was gonna show you guys what I made last night from a request. So it's Enid. Another Enid file. Well, another drawing. And then I put her in her own seamless design. Just trying to find it. Boom. I had to include her little pink balloon from the birthday cake because that's totally her. But I love it. This file was totally worth it. I think I was up until like 3 a.m. trying to get it finished. But all of the Wednesday files drop today and I'm so excited. Is probably go get the mail because I haven't and I've been putting it off for so long. And then I was actually gonna make some cookies. Maybe some ginger snap cookies. But I have cookie cutters that I just got for Halloween that I never got to use, so I wanted to use them even though it's Christmas. Oh well. I was gonna use the moon one, so I guess it doesn't really matter. Right? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to comment, like, subscribe, comment on what we should do next because I have no idea what we should do for the whole rest of December. So make sure you comment. Until next time, bye!